$10,000. For many people, that's the budget for a basic used sedan, maybe a compact car, maybe something practical but uninspiring. But what if you could buy a Mercedes-Benz for that price? Not just any Mercedes, but one that is genuinely reliable, mechanically proven, and capable of lasting years without constant financial stress. The truth is simple. Luxury cars depreciate fast. Engineering reputation lasts much longer. Many Mercedes models that once cost over $60,000 can now be purchased for under $10,000, sometimes significantly less. The key is knowing which models were built during the right era, with the right engines and the right mechanical philosophy. This list is based on mechanic experience, long-term ownership reports, proven drivetrain durability, manageable maintenance costs, realistic parts availability. Let's begin. Number 5. Mercedes W203. The Mercedes-Benz C-Class W203 is often overlooked, and that's exactly why it's affordable. While early four-cylinder variants had mixed reputations, the naturally aspirated V6 versions like the C240 and C320 are significantly more durable. Mechanics like this platform for several reasons. Naturally aspirated V6 engines with solid longevity, proven 5-speed automatic transmission, simple rear-wheel drive layout, reasonable repair costs. Common issues include aging suspension components and minor oil leaks, but these are predictable maintenance items, not catastrophic failures. Because the W203 doesn't have the classic hype of older Mercedes or the tech appeal of newer ones, prices remain comfortably under $10,000. For someone who wants a compact luxury sedan with traditional Mercedes comfort, this is a strong entry-level option. Number 4. Mercedes W211. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class W211 represents executive comfort at a surprisingly low price. Early models had electronic challenges, but later years, especially naturally aspirated, V6 versions are widely considered stable and dependable. What makes the W211 attractive? Smooth and durable V6 engines, excellent ride comfort, strong highway stability, high safety ratings, solid structural engineering. Mechanics often say that once the early electrical issues are resolved, the car becomes a reliable long-distance cruiser. Under $10,000, you can often find later model W211 examples with documented service history. For buyers who want space, safety, and comfort without modern complexity, this platform delivers excellent value. Number 3. Mercedes W204. The Mercedes-Benz C-Class W204 was a major improvement in build quality and overall refinement. The C300 model, equipped with a naturally aspirated V6, is particularly respected for reliability. Why mechanics recommend it? Strong M272 V6 engine when maintained, improved interior durability, better long-term electronic stability, more modern safety features. Compared to the W203, the W204 feels significantly more modern. Interior materials age better, driving dynamics feel tighter, technology feels usable, not outdated. In today's market, early W204 C300 models regularly fall below $10,000, especially with higher mileage. But these engines are known to handle mileage well when serviced properly. This makes the W204 one of the safest, modern-feeling Mercedes options under this budget. Number 2. Mercedes W210. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class W210 often receives criticism for rust in certain climates. However, structurally solid examples are known for impressive mechanical durability. The E320 variant offers strong inline-6 or V6 engine options, durable automatic transmission, straightforward mechanical design, excellent ride comfort. Because of the rust reputation, prices remain low, sometimes extremely low. But a well-preserved W210 with good service records can be incredibly dependable. Many examples have surpassed very high mileage while maintaining drivetrain reliability. If you live in a region where corrosion is not severe, or you find a rust-free example, the W210 becomes a serious bargain. Number 1. Mercedes W124. At the top of the list stands the legendary Mercedes-Benz W124. This model is often described by mechanics as one of the most over-engineered cars ever produced by Mercedes. Built during an era when durability was prioritized over cost reduction, the W124 was designed for longevity. Why it earns the top position? Extremely strong engine construction, durable transmissions, mechanical simplicity, overbuilt chassis, long-term parts availability. Many W124 models are still driving today with exceptionally high mileage. Because they are older, condition varies widely, but clean, well-maintained examples can still be found under $10,000. And when properly maintained, these cars can realistically last decades. Few modern vehicles match their long-term durability reputation. Final thoughts. These 5 models share important characteristics: naturally aspirated engines, proven transmission pairings, strong mechanical engineering, predictable maintenance schedules, large aftermarket and parts support Nulenzer. They avoid overly complex turbo systems, excessive early digital integration, experimental drivetrain technology. Reliability is not about perfection. It is about predictability. Mechanics prefer cars with known issues that can be addressed, not unpredictable failures. If you're shopping in this price range, follow these rules. Prioritize service history over low mileage. Inspect suspension and cooling systems. Check for rust carefully. Avoid neglected vehicles. Budget for preventative maintenance. A $10,000 Mercedes should not be treated like a brand new car. But if you buy wisely, it can deliver luxury and reliability at a fraction of original cost. Mercedes-Benz built many vehicles designed to last far beyond their warranty periods. When you focus on the right generation, the right engine, and documented maintenance, you can own a reliable Mercedes for under $10,000. These 5 models prove that affordable luxury is possible if you choose carefully. If this guide helped you, subscribe for more reliable luxury car rankings. Comment below which Mercedes would you trust under $10,000. And if you'd like to see 5 Mercedes models to avoid under $10,000, let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.